everybody and welcome back. My name is Siobhan Sweet and today we're going to do another one of my favourites, as I always say every week. We're going to do a cookie, which I call it stuffed cookie. So I'm going to bring it just up so you can see it. So if I break that in half, I don't know if you can see that, but you can see that stuffed with peanut butter. You can do them thicker than that if you want to. And I've done some Nutella ones as well. So I'm going to run through how to make them and they really are simple to do. So in here, I've already put 115 grams of butter, 85 grams of, I use a dark sugar, a dark brown soft sugar, so it's 87 grams, and 87 grams of a caster sugar. And a couple of drops of vanilla essence in there, and I've beat those on the machine. Again, I've got a machine. Once you've got one of these, you don't want to do it by hand, but if you haven't got a machine, you can do it by hand quite easily. So beat that together so it's nice and soft, okay? And then I'm just going to get everything ready first of all before we put it together. In here, I've got 275 grams of flour. Now, this is quite a big recipe, but I love these, and I don't think they're going to go to waste. So this will make 15, so if you want to halve them, you can, but you know, that's your, and they do freeze quite well actually. Not that I freeze any of mine, because they don't last 5 minutes in this house. So put that together. Also in there, I've got a bicarbonate of soda, okay? So I've got 3 grams of bicarb. Put that in. 8 grams of corn flour. And 3 grams of salt. So that's all your dry ingredients together. Just blend that together. Okay. And that's it. So I've got that, and then I've got 1 whole egg, and that's your recipe really so far. So I'm just going to mix that in with the butter and the sugar. Blend that together. And put that in. Again, I would do all this on the machine. I'll try and do this bit by hand. I might just flip it onto the machine in a minute just to bring this together. Just to speeding it up. Are we all right today anyway? Hi Caroline, are we okay there? Back on Zoom. A bit more egg. So with the egg, just add the 2 drops. If you do it all together, you can be chasing the butter around. So it's just quicker actually to do this in 2 separate sections. I've set the oven already on 170 degrees. Now these are really quick. They only take 11 minutes to cook. Hello Rolo, I did say 2 minutes and you're here, aren't you? You're back. So I'm going to add in the dry ingredients now. And again, as I say, I would just do this on the machine. It'll just bring it together a lot quicker than it will with me doing it by hand. I've done Nutella. I did Nutella the other day, so Nutella's really nice stuffed. And what I did, when I got the mix, I made 1 batch and I split it in 2. So in a minute, I'm going to show you I add chocolate to mine. But I split the batch in 2 and I did half milk chocolate and half dark chocolate. And the dark chocolate I did with Nutella, and the milk chocolate I did with, I'll think of the word in a minute, peanut butter. That's the word. And they were lovely. And actually, because I love Nutella, I do like Nutella, I thought the Nutella ones would be nicer. And actually, I prefer the peanut butter ones. So blend that together. It looks a little bit dry, but just keep going, it will come together. Okay. Okay, so that is near enough together now. That's like a cookie dough paste. So today I'm just going to do, rather than mess around and split it, I'm just going to put all 200 grams of milk chocolate. That's quite a lot of chocolate going in there. And if you notice, I've got it really quite fine because I want it like little chips through it rather than big blocks. You could put big buttons through it, it's up to you again, it's another variant. What else have we got? Oh, hello Kenny, are we all right? Kenny's back on again today. So blend that together and that is your cookie dough made. Really simple. So what we're going to do now is divide it up. Now, that size there, I think is a nice size. I weigh those out at 55 grams. You could do bigger if you want to. It's totally up to you. But that's a nice size. I mean, I can easily eat 2 of those quite easily. But yeah, it's a nice size. So take that together. Get your tray ready. And I'm just going to weigh out, I'm not going to do all of them, I'm just going to weigh out 55 grams. So just bear with me, I'll just do a couple and show you. I mean, I'm a bit of a perfectionist. As a pastry chef, you like weights and measures and you always get everything accurate. Where a lot of people just get a scoop and scoop them on the tray, but I like them to look all nice and neat and even. Especially doing this with kids, that kids love this recipe. So I'll just do 3 just to show you. 3. And if you're making a nice cream, I would miss the egg out of this cookie dough mix, and you could actually then fold that through a nice cream mix, so you just blend it with a bit of water. And you know, everyone makes cookie dough ice cream, it's a mad thing at the moment, isn't it? So you just use this and put this through as chunks. So it's quite versatile. Okay, so once we've got these the right size, and move that out the way so you can see, you're going to roll them just into a round, okay, just into a round shape, and pop them onto your tray. Just make sure when you do your sugar and butter, you cream it enough so it's nice and light and soft. That way you'll find it a lot easier to work when you get to this stage. It's a nice soft mix. It's not sticky, but it's just nice. So in my freezer, I've had, bring them out, hold on. I actually did these last night. Excuse me, Roland. These are peanut butter. Just that's a teaspoon, a big teaspoon, blobbed on a round circle, and I've just done 3 Nutella ones just to show you as well. Okay, I've frozen those solid. Now that only takes about an hour ready to freeze. It doesn't take that long, so you can still do them in the same day. And I'm going to bring this close to the camera so you can see. So I'll just squash the ball down slightly, and I put that in the middle, okay? And then I just squeeze it and fold round the edges. I can feel it thicker at the bottom, so I'm just pushing up. And what you're going to do is just seal that in there. That's all you're going to do. Can you see it there? Bring that together. Once you've sealed it, then just give it a light little press, and you might want to get the shape a little bit back to round shape. And that's it. Okay, that's that one. Put that on your tray. I'm just going to do a Nutella one just to show you. Again, just push that round, squeeze it round. You can change it, as I say, you can put different chocolates. It's quite a versatile recipe, this one. Until you can't see your filling, squash it down, and that is it. Okay, you don't want to leave these out too long, so they'll start to go soft. Once you've got your nice shape that you want, I've just got, I think it's a lovely dry roasted KP peanuts. I've just chopped them up so they're not fine, but a medium coarse texture. And I'll just, because I think it's a really nice flavour on the peanut ones. Obviously you're not going to put those on your Nutella ones. Squash those on. And that's going to go into the oven for 11 minutes. Now, don't be tempted to overcook them, because after 11 minutes, they don't quite look done. They look a little bit soft and a little bit white in colour. If you do them another minute, they'll just slightly overcook underneath, so they are done. Bring them out and they'll just firm up slightly, and then once they come out of the oven, they're absolutely gorgeous. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you on Wednesday, where I'm going to be doing another biscuit. I think I'm going to be doing Viennese fancies, but I'll see how I feel, see what I've got in my cupboards. Thanks for joining me, everybody. Bye.